Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did like this grungy glam look. I don't even know where I was going at with this shit, but I like how this look turned out, guys. I hope you like the tutorial too. It's really out of my comfort zone, but I'm really feeling the glitter and I'm really feeling this like navy, like dual chrome shade. I went in with my holy grails, you know, my ride or dies for my face. And for my eyes, I went in first with my transition shade out of a palette that I made. It's this orangey brown shade. I went in with that in my crease. As you will see, these eyeshadows are really pigmented. MAC eyeshadows mixed in with a little bit of Makeup Geek. Not sure which one that is. Also used the Huda Beauty palette. You know how I feel about these Huda Beauty palettes. I love these palettes. Her eyeshadows are everything. Blend well. Very how I feel about Anastasia too. Her shadows, I mean, these go hand in hand. They're really good eyeshadows. For my lip, I went in with Kat Von D. I went in with like, it gotta be like Lolita and Bow and Arrow. I went in with these two shades. And guys, I really like how this look turned out, and I hope you like it too. If you want to see how I got this look, guys, just stay tuned. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit the link, subscribe, become a part of the family. I'm uploading twice a week. Fall is my season, so I'm hitting you twice a week with a video. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Concealer. Now we're just going to set our eyes with the translucent setting powder. We're going to go on with this orangey brown shade, and we're just going to apply that first as our transition shade. We're going in with that shade right there, and we're just going to apply that right on top of that transition color, and we're just going to blend it in. We're going to go right on top of that shade, and we're just going to build up our crease with this black shade. We're going to go on with patting motions first and just blend that shade right on out. We jumped into the Prism palette to get that black shade. Really good black. What happened now, we're going to cut our crease with that same concealer. We're using a synthetic Sedona lace brush, and we're just going to do a cut crease. And you have to take your time. I mean, practice makes perfect. I don't set my cut crease. I just go right in with the shade on top of it. I kind of like that effect better than setting it. I mean, I tried setting it in the past and it wasn't bad, but going right on top of the base with the shade shadow, it comes out better to me. So we're going back into the Prism palette, and we're taking that navy shade. It's like a dual chrome because I'm seeing purple, blue, a little bit of silver depending on the way you turn your head. And we're just applying that all over our cut crease, all over our lid. And I mean, I really had to build this shade up. Yo, watch me. I gotta keep going back into the shade. So just take your time. I'm going over the black and I'm just blending. I think I applied a little bit more black and just blended it out. And then I applied a little bit more of the dual chrome shade, that navy shade. It's like a back and forthness. I'm going in with the Urban Decay glitter. It's a liquid glitter. And I'm just applying that in our crease. Yeah, this glitter is like really wet. You really got to take your time and make sure this glitter dries. So after I even applied the glitter, I had to fan my eyelids for a while, keep my eyelids closed. And that's really hard for me. We're going in and we're going to clean up our eyeshadow. We're going to also clean up our brows. And it's the same concealer, the MAC Pro Longwear. Concealer goes a long way, baby. It's a really good concealer. We're going in with our Real Technique Beauty Blender, Beauty Sponge, sorry. We're gonna blend all that concealer out. After that, we jumped right into it. We applied our foundation, we're contouring and we're highlighting. You guys seen that a million times, so I just skipped right over. That looks good, and we're just gonna blend everything out. And then we're just gonna set everything with a powder. I think I'm using my Beauty Bakery flower powder right there, and I use the Shea Moisture bronzer. We're setting our face with the Sephora Micro Smoothing Powder. I love this freaking powder, man. You gotta get your hands on it. I'm going in with a blush by MAC. It's called Sketch. A beautiful blush that I don't use enough. I'm going in with this limited edition Becca highlighter. Really pretty. And then we're just going to finish off the eyes. We're just going to go in with that black and blow that out. And then we're going to blend it out with that burgundy transition shade. We're going to apply some liquid lipstick by Kat Von D. We're using Bow and Arrow and Lolita. And we're going to mix the two. I line my lips with a brown lip liner. You can use any lip liner you have. I do like Bow and Arrow by itself, but I just needed a little bit more color. It was too nude for me right then. I felt, my opinion, I felt like it was just too nude, so I went over it with the Lolita. We're going to apply lashes, and we're going to finish this look up, guys. We're using our lashes from Lily Lashes. Before that, I went in with mascara from Estee Lauder, and I want y'all to see the struggle of me putting on lashes. It takes time, man. I see people like they must just edit that shit out. They have to, because like it takes time for me to put on lashes, man. I gotta pray, focus, close one eye, open the other eye, use fingers. It's a lot of shit, man. But I mean, it's worth it. Lashes really do make the makeup look. It really do. Sometimes I do go without lashes, but for something like this, all glammed up and smoky, you need a little Vava Judge. Vava Judge. So yes, I'm really liking how this is coming out, guys. At first, I didn't even know what I was doing, and this is like a navy smoky eye. This is a blue smoky eye and with a glitter cut crease, and I really like how it came out. We're going to apply a little gloss over our lips. I'm using my Smashbox gloss, and guys, this is the finished look. This is my favorite wig, if you wanted to know. Love how the curls came out. I flexi rotted the hair. And guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this blue smoky eye. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, guys.